Hey guys, this is Devin here with Hillbilly Networks. Today I'm going to go over real quick with you how to use the traceroute command, also known as traceroute. It's shortened in Windows to traceRT. So just go ahead and type in that command with nothing except for the command and hit enter, and you're going to see these different options for different functions you can do. Today I'm just going to type in an IP address 8.8.8.8, and right now it is basically sending a packet across from point A to point B from my network to 8.8.8.8, which is Google's primary DNS. And then it's going to show the hops it takes, basically the different switches or routers that it's jumping across. You're not going to see the switches unless they're layer 3. You're going to see the routers because this is just IP level traceroute. So it's going to hop across those different destinations, and it's going to give us a millisecond. Basically that's the travel time it's taken, and it's going to give us IP addresses to each different hop that it's taking to get to the endpoint and back. And we can actually use that if it's stopping somewhere. You say you cannot communicate with a server somewhere outside your network that you're supposed to be able to communicate with. Well, you can run a traceroute command and it'll show you where it's stopping, and you can actually use the IP address of the one it's stopping at, and you can look that up online. There's different websites like who is or what's this IP, and it'll tell you who that belongs to, and it'll generally have some contact information. And that's actually how you can actually solve an issue of not being able to get to something outside of your network when it's not your fault. But that's it today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks.